Premier Doug Ford's government returns to Queen's Park tomorrow after a short spring session. Issues on unemployment, health care and cost of living remain priorities for Ontarians. Harry Coro has the details.
I think we're going to see a lot of drama. There's been a lot of pent-up frustration coming back.
When legislators return to Queen's Park tomorrow, they'll be sitting in a house whose walls have been repainted and the artwork changed by Speaker Donna Skelly. But political analysts suspect Premier Doug Ford's government might be in for a fairly rambunctious session.
You've got a very neutered third party with no leader, a reduced seat count for the Liberals.
On top of that, the Ontario provincial legislature will only sit for a short but intense 7 weeks that opposition parties fear is becoming, quote, a new and undemocratic norm. The legislature has only been in session for 23 days this year.
So I think the opposition parties are really unhappy with the inability to ask questions of the government to try and hold it to account. And the government seems quite pleased, actually, with that status quo and of ignoring the oppositions.
Dr. Grafe says the issue of unemployment should be a priority when session resumes Monday morning.
I think the most important thing for people to get by is jobs. The recession, the plant closures that we're seeing need a strategy for how you're going to respond to, preserve those capacities in communities and let people whose jobs are lost find other work that uses their skills.
Aside from unemployment, which has hit 7.9% in September, the highest it's been in 4 years, Ontarians are also concerned how the Ford government will tackle other issues close to home.
I do see that education and healthcare and other items are starting to rise back up in the polling in terms of issues that Ontarians are concerned about. But I do see in the majority of polls that the economy and cost of living continue to be really outstripping other issues across trend over time, of course.
Despite these concerns, critics say the Ford government has not given enough concrete answers and solutions to some of these problems.
We have a conservative government that ultimately believes that we're better off if we pay lower taxes and have less government in our lives.
During the first fall session, at least 50 bills will be up for discussion, including Bill 33, the Supporting Children's and Students Acts 2025, that would significantly alter the province's education and child welfare systems. Policing Free Schools, a community-based organization, is holding a rally tomorrow at 10 a.m. to oppose the bill when the legislature opens. CHCH News will be at the Queen's Park tomorrow on Morning Live and the 6 p.m. Evening News. Harry Coro, CHCH News, Hamilton.